Ilang linggo na lang ba ang ating hinihintay bago magsimula ang exam week ngayong midterms, kapatid? Pero ikaw, ikaw na anak ng Diyos, natanghali na akong bumangon ay malakas pa ang loob mong maghanap ng masarap na ulam. Huwag mo ding ipangalandakan na maaga ka namang nagising o hindi tumunog ang iyong alarm dahil ang bilang natin ay anong oras ka nagsimula. Bago ko simulan ay mag-comment ka muna ng present kung tulad ng nakararami ay batugan ka pa rin kahit exam mo na. Here's why you're irresponsible in law school. All of this and more coming right up. This episode is brought to you in part by Ocho, 101 practice problems for lost law students and bar takers. It's a digital workbook designed to meet the bar syllabus. All of the problems are discussed in great detail. You can use it as a series of mock bars with discussions, or you can develop the almighty, all-powerful question-a-day habit where you sit down to answer one bar problem each night before you go to sleep. Pagkatapos mo itong sagutan, mababasa mo hindi lang kung ano ang tamang sagot, kundi paano ka rin makakarating sa tamang sagot. If you are a current law student, you can get a copy and answer the problems as part of your review for your midterms and final exams. Hihintayin mo pa ba, kapatid, na bumagsak ka sa exam mo dahil tama man ang iyong alam ay hindi mo naman ito maisusulat sa paraan na gusto ng iyong mga professor. Here you learn how to craft hyper-responsive answers, how professors trick us into the wrong answers, and what they're looking for in our essays. Grab your copy of Ocho, 101 practice problems for lost law students and bar takers through the links in the description box below. Hi, my name is Lex and welcome to Lex in Motion. In this channel, I'll be helping you build your competence, confidence, and capability in law school. Start today by hitting the subscribe button below. New episodes are posted every Friday. Irresponsable kang na ka dahil sa mundo ng law school, you are constantly overworked. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na ganun talaga ang law school, kapatid, pero ganun talaga siya. Here, you are constantly overworked. The harder you try to fight back to swim against the tide, the more tired you become. You are overworked in law school because of the 50-80 cases that are assigned to each of your classes every meeting. You are overworked because you are tasked with writing digests at the beginning of each semester, only for you to procrastinate all of these academic requirements as and when they are needed. Irresponsible kang ka dahil sa mundo ng law school, you are overwhelmed. Try as you might to really sit down and just learn the law, you are unable to do so because your mind is cluttered with all of the work-related concerns that you should have prepared for ahead of your own examinations. You are bombarded with so much information that you cannot retain all of it, especially when your pre-recorded lectures have been awkwardly prepared by your professors. You know in your head and in your heart that they are only making you watch this so they will not have it said that you were asked with questions outside of the coverage. Dagdag mo pa dito ang namumuong pagod, puyot, gutom at sama ng loob na kusang kumakain ng iyong kaluluwa. Ang kaluluwa mong sunog na, pagod na at hindi na makaramdam ng tuwa, saya o lungkot dahil sadyang pagod ka na rin. Irresponsible kang ka dahil para saan pa ba? Pilitin mo mang mag-aral ng mabuti ay hindi ka naman nabibiyayaan ng mga matitinong mga grado sa pagbawakas ng semestring ito. Para saan pa ba kung pilitin mo mang tandaan ang lahat ng kaso sa inyong assignment ay pakiramdam mo na matatawag ka sa mga hindi mo inabot, o kung inabot mo man ay naroon ang nakapanlulo mong posibilidad na sa pagtawag ng inyong guro sa iyong apelido ay ang lahat ng iyong pinagpaguran at pinagpuyatan, lahat yan ay tiyak burado. Para saan pa kung pipilitin mong galingan ay wala din naman. Ibigay mo man lahat ay walang papalakpak para sa'yo dahil mas madalas ay kahit todo pati pamato dito sa law school ay mas madalas pa rin ang talo o ang sakto. Irresponsible kang ka dahil nakakasawa na rin naman. paulit-ulit ka din namang magbabasa, ipapaulit sa'yo kung ano man ang iyong naaalala. Pilitin ka mang mapiga, wala ka din namang sustansya. Law school entails so much of doing the same tasks over and over again. Law school for its part expects improvements in the leaps and bounds. Sino ba namang gaganahan na gumaling pa kung pakiramdam mo sa inaraw-araw na lang na pinasok mo ay wala ka din namang napapala. Irresponsable kang ka dahil sobrang demanding ng law school. Even if we throw in the fact that you enjoy some reasonable presumption that you were admitted in law school and therefore you may have what it takes to actually survive law school, it is awfully tempting not to give our best because law school demands so much more than what we are ready for. Law school asks so much from us mere mortals and yet it gives very little back. Kaya tayo tinatamad. Sa unang session ng Lawyering 101 or ang next level ng ating exclusive one-on-one coaching and mentoring program para sa mga brand new na abogado na alumni ng ating bar review program, mariin kong ipinaalala sa kanila na congratulations at abogado ka na, kapatid. Welcome sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo, buhay, bahay, kalayaan at kinabukasan ng iba ang ating pusta. Bawal na dito ang bobo dahil ngayon alam mo na kung ano ang nakasalalay dito. Lahat ng aking mga unang nabanggit ay maaaring iyong mga dahilan kung bakit kayo responsable, kapatid. All of these are excuses, but are any of them valid? Law school prepares you for practice where the stakes are much higher. The margins for error are as wide or as narrow as you draw them. You are only as good as your last case. Be responsible with the choices you make today. They will determine the kind of lawyer you will be someday. Salamat, kapatid, kung inabot mo ang ending ng episode na to. Salamat kung sa ilang minutong nagdaan ay ikaw ay namura pa. If you would like to see more content on how to build your confidence in law school, please let me know by typing yes in the comments down below. Alam ko na simpleng yes lang ito, kapatid, pero mahalaga ito sa amin. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that what we do here is helpful. By typing yes in the comments, you are telling me and telling the team that an actual sentient human being watched this episode at may totoong tao ang nakinabang sa aming pinagpaguran. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share this episode for good law school karma, and I will see you again next Friday.